Now let's start the warm-up game. Although I think we're already warmed up, but yeah. The warm-up game is called Hololive Myth Random Association Game. Yay! I heard some very not excited yay.
Oh, yay! I'm very excited for this game.
Yay words. I'll explain the rules shortly. I'm very bad at explaining the rules, but I think you my dear friends, understand. Basically, I do clap clap, then I say a word, then next person does clap clap and quickly says the word that they instantly are able to think of when they think of the word that I said. And then the next person does clap clap and says another word that is associated with the word from before. You know, you get the gist, right?
What if it's not associated?
It's okay as long as you think it's associated, but you gotta come up with it quickly. If you cannot come up with something right away, then you are out of this round and we'll continue without you. We'll just be moving on without you.
Okay.
Alright? Just quick thinking. We gotta do some quick thinking here, okay? So, we go in the direction of mi, Callie, Gura, Ina, Ame. Mi, Callie, Gura, Ina, Ame. Okay?
Okay, ducks.
Are you ready?
Yay!
I guess.
Okay.
Let's go, brain cells. Oh dear.
Clap, clap, apple.
Clap, clap, cherries.
Clap, clap, tree.
What?
Clap, clap, bush.
Clap, clap, scissors.
Clap, clap, German, scary, children's book.
Huh?
Keep it going, keep it going.
Clap, clap. The nightmares.
Clap, clap, the monster under my bed. Clap, clap, Amelia. Oh.
What?
Clap, clap, magnifying glass.
Clap, clap, detective.
Clap, 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 murder.
You clapped 3 times.
I clapped twice.
Okay, keep on.
Am I clapping? Am I clapping?
Keep it going, keep it going.
Okay. Clap, clap, Calliope. Clap, clap, that's sensei.
Clap, clap, skull.
Clap, clap.
Clap,
Clap, clap, scary movies.
clap, clap, Halloween.
Clap, clap, pumpkin. Clap, clap, oranges.
Clap, clap, tree.
Ah,
Ah,
clap, clap. Park.
Clap, clap, dogs.
Clap, clap, dog poop. Clap, clap, fertilizer.
clap, clap, cows.
Clap,
Why
clap,
can't I
moo
keep
moo.
Clap, clap. Cows?
Wait, can we repeat words that have already been said?
I don't think so. That's why I stopped so abruptly when I heard tree.
Yeah. Oh man.
I didn't know.
This round.
You didn't say we couldn't say the same word twice.
Yeah, when I heard that, I was also like,
Careful.
wait, do we keep on going or not? I think this round ended. Let's make a rule to not repeat any words again.
Okay. No
Okay.
repeating.
Okay.
New round, round 2. Ding 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 ding.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. Clap, clap, chicken.
Clap, clap, Kiara.
You love me, don't you?
No, don't go that far.
Clap,
Hey, you're
clap, phoenix.
Ooh.
Clap, clap, turkey.
Clap, clap, Thanksgiving.
Clap, clap. Please save me.
Clap, clap, I'm hungry.
Clap, clap, dinner time. Clap, clap, shrimp.
Clap, clap, simp.
Clap, clap, money.
Clap, 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 red.
Clap, clap, blood.
Oh,
See, I got
Clap,
it to go in my
clap,
face.
vampires.
Clap, clap, coffins.
Clap, clap, death.
Clap, clap, Calliope's favorite things.
Clap, clap, various weaponry.
Good.
Clap, clap, Kiara's swords. Sword.
Ooh.
Clap, clap, toys.
Clap, clap, danger.
Clap, clap. Murder. We haven't used it this round.
Really? Okay.
Clap, clap, mafia.
Yeah.
Clap, up.
Oh! Ina out! Ina out!
My brain's so...
Ame, you're next.
Am I going off
Mafia
of what
was
she
yours.
said?
Mafia, yeah.
Oh, the Sopranos.
Nice.
What are Sopranos?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Clap, clap, music?
Clap, clap, hip hop.
Clap, clap, rap.
Oh, clap, clap, dance.
Clap, clap, chicken dance.
You started with chicken.
Okay. Clap, clap, Maymays.
Name?
Maymays. Isn't the chicken dance? Wasn't it like a Maymay?
What is a Maymay?
I think she means meme. I think she means
A
meme.
meme.
Okay, whatever it is.
Meme.
Whatever it is.
A meme.
A meme.
Me.
Clap, clap, next meme.
I'm
Kiara,
out.
did you say you're out?
I'm out, yeah.
Oh, naruhodo ne. Okay, okay.
I'm also out. I
Sorry,
can't think of it.
Amelia, I didn't hear you. Say it one more time, please.
I said clap, clap, meme. Next meme.
Clap, 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 internet.
Clap, clap, dial-up.
Clap, clap, my bad internet.
Clap, clap.
Oh!
I don't
We
know.
have a winner! Candace!
Did I win? Thank you. Yay, I won.
Clap, clap!
Clap, clap,
Yeah.
clap.
Did she get a golden yago?
yeah.
Did I get a golden yago?
Hold on,
Yeah,
I have
it
it
was-
here. I have it here
High
somewhere.
value.
It was just a
Thank you.
warm-up
I will
game,
put it
but
in my
I guess
room.
you can
Oh.
have one.
Thank you.
No, you don't
I
get
was
one.
hoping I would receive that.
No, okay,
Put it
you
in
don't
my
get
room.
one. You don't get one.
Why? You just told me that I
All right,
got
here you
one.
go. Here you go. Here you go.
Wow.
Yay!
Wait,
We
yay!
have a winner. Nice. So,
I'm happy. Thank you.
I think we're all warmed up now. It was a very intense fight, I must say, especially between Callie and Ame.
The slow internet
My
made my
bad,
brain
internet
slow.
Under of internet for the win.
Yeah, your internet killed Ame's brain. Why would you do that?
Yay! It's my plans.
Alright, then. Now we shall start with the main thing. I
We
have-
froze. We'll go to loading screen really quick.
Okay, one
Technical
second.
difficulties.
Technical